Hello farm lovers, welcome back to this channel. My name is Rosemary. So quickly, on today's video, we'll be talking about how to start a profitable foodstuff business in Nigeria. Food is essential. The demand for foodstuff is ever growing with our increasing population. If you have been thinking starting a foodstuff business but don't know how to begin, you're in the right place. In this video, I will take you through everything you need to know on how to start, on how to succeed in this business. Let's dive in. Number one, understand the business. It involves buying and selling of food items like palm oil, crayfish, garri. In the Nigerian population, this business is very profitable if it's done right. Number two, how do you start? Choose a business model. Decide on whether wholesale, here you buy in bulk and then you sell to retailers, or maybe you want to start as a retailer, here you sell directly to the consumer, or maybe you want to start online, you make use of your social media to sell. So decide on the business model that you want to start with. Another thing is capital. Before you start a business, first of all, have in mind your capital. How much do you have to start, so that you don't start a business and then along the line the business is already folding up. Because if you are starting a business, at least you have enough capital that will sustain that business for 3 months, for 6 months. Because it's possible that before you start making your profit, it may take a long time. Now for retailers, you can start with 50,000 naira to 100,000 naira. That's for retailers. Then for wholesalers, you can start with 500,000 naira or 1 million. Your capital will determine how you start. You buy from wholesalers, buy from farmers, so that you'll be able to get fresh products and you'll be able to buy it at a very good price. For bulk buyers, if you are living in Lagos State, you can go to my 12 market, you can go to Ibeme market. You partner with distributors of some companies, maybe for spaghetti, maybe for Milo, sachet Milo, some provisions. You can partner with the distributors so that you can get these things at an affordable price. Another point is pick a business location. You guys, this one, it is very important. Pick a strategic place in busy markets or maybe roadside, on the street. A strategic place where we have foot traffic also, so that you're able to get customers. You can also sell online. You can sell on Instagram, you can sell on Facebook, you can sell on WhatsApp. Here you are reaching to a wider audience. The next thing you should also do is to register your business. Here it gives you room for smooth operation. It also builds trust and opens doors for expansion. It builds trust when your customers come to buy something and then they know, oh, you're actually registered. You see that they will trust you so much and they will patronize you. The next one is marketing and customer relationship. You guys, marketing is very important in business. If you are doing a business and then you are not marketing that business, I don't know what you are doing. So marketing is very important when it comes to business. You can make use of the social media to market your product. When it comes to customer relationship, you can offer freebies, or maybe you can provide discounts. This will attract your customers and also retain your existing customers. Make sure you deliver quality service, and then with time you also build trust. Then the last thing you should know when starting a foodstuff business is foodstuff. Every business have challenges. Yes, every business have challenges. The same thing also with foodstuff business. Then the challenges involved in foodstuff business is transportation. You guys, you see transportation there. Hey, this one is a great challenge. I've experienced that. Logistics, like trying to get your products delivered to your customers and all those things. So transportation is very, very challenging when it comes to foodstuff business. We also have customer issues. We also have pricing. But I'm telling you that you can overcome this challenging. Now, when it comes to pricing, let me tell you how to manage pricing issue. Buy in bulk when the prices are low, and then you store properly. Now, this is storage. To overcome the issue of price, that oh, the price is high, people are not buying because the price is high. Buy things when they are low, when the prices are low, you store it. Example now, egusi now. If you want to overcome the issue of egusi, you buy egusi during harvest season, then you are buying it at a very cheap price. You buy it, you store it, like buy enough that will last for you for the next harvest season. So you buy it and then you store it properly. You see that when people are complaining of pricing, oh, your price is okay, people are patronizing you. Why? Because your price is okay. So to overcome the issue of pricing, buy things when they are low in price, like even the palm oil also. Yes, especially palm oil too. Beans, we have many agro products. You can buy them when they are low in price. So when the prices are high, your customers will not be complaining of pricing here and there. Then the issue of delivery. Work with a reliable logistic company. You can partner with them, or you can even have your own delivery vehicle. Now, you can partner with logistic company. Like example now, for interstate delivery, I'm living in Lagos and then I need to send something to someone outside Lagos. Here I have to partner with transportation company, maybe the GUO or the GIG. I register with them so that I know, okay, I'm a partner in this company. They will handle my goods properly. Or maybe you can decide to own a delivery vehicle. Now, when it comes to the issue of high competition, or maybe customers are complaining, now what you should do is that deliver quality service. There is nothing so much important than offering a quality service to your customers. They will always come back to you. Be compassionate, but also be fair. So you can stand out by offering quality services to your customers, competitive price, and excellent products. Yes, let your price be so competitive. Others are selling 1,000 naira. You, because you bought something when they are cheap, you are selling what, 800 naira, or you are selling 700 naira. They will leave that place where they are selling 1,000 and then come and meet you and buy. So starting a food stuff business in Nigeria, it is very, very lucrative, so lucrative, because people are eating, people need food. Every day people are eating food. People can do without food, actually. But you see, when it comes to food, people cannot do without food. I'm telling you, yeah. So food stuff business is very, very profitable if you plan well, if you start source wisely, market well, maintain good customer relationship. Now, if you have any question, drop it in the comments and then I will give you an answer. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more agro tips. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.